Yo estoy arriba. Sorry about your shoes.
No, that's fine.
Don't worry about it.
They're yard shoes, that's why they're out there.
No doble todo aquello. Espérate, espérate.
Oh, that's stuck.
Espérate. Vale.
Okay.
Ya va, ya va.
Guys, they had to take the door off. So now they're putting in the new one. He's hooking his belt up. And I'm gonna get out their way.
Okay, there we go.
Alright.
No fuimos.
Perfecto.
¿La tienes?
Ajá.
Vamos.
Alright, they had to take the door off, guys, because it was too wide with the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and install.
Okay.
Alright, and there goes the old one. It's been with us for a while, so it stopped working, so we had to get a new one, yeah. God is good all the time, yeah. Yeah. Thank Him for His grace and His mercies. So out with the old. Had to take the door off. All right, guys, so I'm saying saying bye to the old one, guys. Look at that. And they had to take the side rail off as well. Yeah. Thank you. Now we actually look like a match. All right, guys, so they installed the new one. Alright. There we go. Get a close up. Alright, guys. Story Vlogs 29. And he's taking pics to make sure that he did his job, right? Alright, guys. Stay tuned. You're the driver? No? Yeah, okay. Alright, he's just putting up the red one.
Didn't want to
That's
lock
okay.
this, so once we put the door on, I'm going to let you know so we can put it back.
Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so rail is back on and they're gonna put the door back on and I'll be out their way. Alright, guys, and if you're from Jamaica, then you know. Yeah, you gotta be resourceful. Yeah, and this is what we did. So the dryer wasn't working. It's a summertime, it's nice out, so Dory made a line, 2 lines on the back porch, guys. See? Yeah, clothes have to dry, right? So, gotta learn how to be resourceful, guys. Dryer is here and we're about to go and test it out. Alright. Alright, guys, so now we're in the basement. Turn the lights on. And there it is. Dryer in motion, guys. And going, yeah. Yeah, man. All right, let's put this back in. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing. It's your girl Dory. Until next time, blessings, big up, manners, and respect to all my lovely viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back. Guys, remember to like, to share, and to comment. Dory Vlogs 29. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time I do online here. Peace.